Chronic kidney disease is a progressive condition characterized by the gradual loss of kidney function over time. The kidneys, vital organs responsible for filtering waste products and excess fluids from the blood, maintaining electrolyte balance, and regulating blood pressure, become impaired in chronic kidney disease, leading to a buildup of waste products in the body. This condition often goes unnoticed in its early stages, earning it the moniker, the silent epidemic. Causes and risk factors. Chronic kidney disease can result from a variety of underlying conditions, with diabetes and hypertension being the most common causes. Diabetes, particularly type 2, damages the kidney's filtering units, leading to nephropathy. Similarly, high blood pressure exerts excessive force on the blood vessels in the kidneys, causing damage over time. Other risk factors include glomerulonephritis, polycystic kidney disease, prolonged use of nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, recurrent urinary tract infections, and a family history of kidney disease. Stages of chronic kidney disease. Chronic kidney disease is classified into 5 stages based on the glomerular filtration rate, GFR, a measure of how well the kidneys are filtering blood. Stage 1. Kidney damage with normal or increased GFR, 90 ml per minute or more, often asymptomatic, making early detection challenging. Stage 2. Mild reduction in GFR, 60 to 89 ml per minute. Some symptoms may start to appear, but they are often non-specific. Stage 3. Moderate reduction in GFR, 30 to 59 ml per minute. Symptoms become more apparent, including fatigue, swelling, and changes in urination. Stage 4. Severe reduction in GFR, 15 to 29 ml per minute. Symptoms are pronounced, and preparation for kidney replacement therapy, dialysis or transplant, often begins. Stage 5. End-stage renal disease, GFR less than 15 ml per minute, kidney function is minimal, and dialysis or kidney transplant becomes necessary for survival. Symptoms. The early stages of CKD are often asymptomatic, but as the disease progresses, symptoms may include fatigue and weakness, swelling in the legs, ankles, feet, or hands. Changes in urination, frequency, color, or presence of blood. Shortness of breath, persistent itching, nausea and vomiting. Muscle cramps, difficulty sleeping, high blood pressure that is difficult to control. Diagnosis and monitoring. Chronic kidney disease is diagnosed through a combination of blood tests, urine tests, imaging studies, and sometimes a kidney biopsy. The most common tests include blood tests, measure creatinine levels and calculate GFR. Urine tests, check for the presence of protein or blood, which can indicate kidney damage. Imaging, ultrasound or CT scans to assess kidney size and structure. Biopsy. In certain cases, a small sample of kidney tissue is examined to determine the cause of kidney damage. Management and treatment. While there is no cure for chronic kidney disease, its progression can be slowed with proper management. Treatment focuses on controlling underlying conditions, managing symptoms, and preventing complications. Key strategies include medications to control blood pressure, manage diabetes, reduce cholesterol levels, and treat anemia. Dietary changes, low sodium, low protein, and potassium-restricted diets help reduce the kidney's workload. Lifestyle modifications, regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, and avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol intake. Regular monitoring, frequent checkups to track kidney function and adjust treatment as needed. For those in advanced stages of chronic kidney disease, kidney replacement therapy in the form of dialysis or a kidney transplant becomes necessary. Dialysis involves using a machine to filter waste products and excess fluids from the blood, while a kidney transplant involves surgically replacing the damaged kidney with a healthy one from a donor. Conclusion: chronic kidney disease is a significant public health issue that requires early detection and proactive management. By understanding the risk factors, recognizing the symptoms, and adhering to prescribed treatment plans, individuals can slow the progression of chronic kidney disease and maintain a better quality of life. Public awareness and education are crucial in combating this silent epidemic, ensuring that those at risk receive timely and appropriate care.